The video tag genuinely embeds real playable video directly in a page with the same real controls pattern as audio. In this video you'll embed a real working video player. Controls genuinely shows the real native play pause full screen UI, with height genuinely reserve real layout space. Poster genuinely shows a real static image before the actual video starts playing instead of a blank black frame. This real fallback text genuinely only shows in the rare case a browser doesn't actually support the video element at all. Video tag genuinely embeds a real playable video player. Poster genuinely shows a real thumbnail before playback starts. Multiple source tags genuinely provide real format fallbacks, same as audio. Embed a real video with a poster image and controls. Ready to embed a whole real other page inside yours.